Hey, you want to know how to multiply your pepper plants? Then you're in the right place. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Now, if you haven't seen my pepper sowing video, I will put that at the end of this video so you will see how I got these to come up. All right, so what I did, I went ahead and I sowed more than one seed in this pot here. So all 4 of these came up. So instead of doing what they say, taking your scissors and thinning them down to one, don't do that. What you're gonna do, this right here is for pepper plants. So instead of cutting them, I'm gonna show you what to do. And you're gonna have 4 pepper plants. So it sounds like a good deal. So let's get right to it. All right, so first thing, I got an empty pot filled with my potting soil. And like I say, I use Happy Frog. I think that's one of the best ones to use. All right, so I'm gonna get my area set up. And I went ahead, I put my tape on it, and I went ahead and said which one this pepper plant was. It's the Violet Sparkle. All right, and that came from Baker Creek. All right, so next thing, I'm gonna take me a little pitchfork. Well, this is really how you eat crab legs. Let me know if you like crab legs. I know I do. All right, so I use that little fork, and all I'm gonna do is make a little incision. I'm gonna go deep underneath. Now I know you're thinking about the root shock, but don't worry, I'm gonna talk to you about that, and I'm gonna show you what I use for that. All right, so I'm gonna pick which one I want. I'm gonna go down, up underneath, and I'm gonna pull up on it, and I'm gonna wiggle it loose. And I'm just rotating my little tool here. So I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. Now I want you to see, look at that root. Let me get you in close. Oh, looks good. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is get that pot of soil, that Happy Frog potting soil, and I'm gonna pinch out a little area. And if I make a mess, oh well, I'm gonna clean it up. But just think about getting extra or getting more of your pepper plants instead of doing this. Don't do that. All right, so I'm gonna hold it gently and lay it in. It's late night. I'm trying to keep it all together. And I'm going to pat it around, and I'm gonna take the soil that I took out. I'm gonna place it around it, and I'm going to pat it down so that it is basically standing up. I got to get the rest of the soil, and what I also use, you can't see it, I put the soil on a sheet of notebook paper. You can use any type paper. So I want to get that soil back around the young little seedling. And it's good to do this while they're pretty small, maybe even smaller than this. But I was so busy, I couldn't get to it. But I say, hey, I got to go ahead and get to it so I can have a lot more peppers. Because just think about it. If you go ahead and try to restart the seeds, chances are you're going to be way behind. I want to get as many pepper plants going so that I can put them outside when it's time to put them outside. All right, so it looks just like that. Now, let me show you what I use. All right, so to get this little seedling right here adjusted to its new home and to lessen the plant, the shock of being transplanted, I already have some water in here. I'm gonna gently lay it down in here. But what I put in this water, this solution, is Vermistera Vitality. And I talked about this in another video. This right here helps with plant shock. So I already had it. So I said I might as well put some in it. And so that's what this is gonna soak. I'm gonna let this soak for maybe about 25-30 minutes until I see the top that I know is saturated with the water and the actual fertilizer. This is gonna reduce the plant shock. I've already done this with the tomato plants that I already uprooted. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. So come back to my next video when I get ready to do that, but we're not done. I am going to show you up close what it actually looks like. So you feel nervous or worried about it, don't be, because I'm gonna make sure I don't disturb the other roots. That's why you do this when these are very, very young. Once again, say no to that. Go ahead and do what I did. So come on in. We all family here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in close so you can see it's not that bad. So come on with me. All right, see, like I said, I went ahead and labeled it so I know what I got and put that to the side. And here's my little instrument that I use. And I'm gonna go ahead, see if you can see, I'm gonna take this one, turn it so you can see it. So all I'm doing is grabbing the stem and I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna go up under. Try not to disturb the other one. And then I'm lifting up gently. I'm gonna keep lifting up because I know that other one's pretty close. So I'm gonna have to get that one next. And once I see that it's loosening up, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up on it. This root right here is a little tough. All right, so I'm trying to gently come up with it. I almost got it, almost got it. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming. Boom, I got it. Now that root, I'm probably cut it a little too short. So we're gonna see how well this one takes, because all my other roots have been a little bit longer. All right, so all I'm gonna do is pinch this off like that, and lay it in. And if all of them don't survive, you still get a good number. I think it's a win-win. It's more plants than you would have had. And all you're gonna do is flatten it down. You get that side, go around, press it down like that. And if you need to add more soil, don't be afraid to do it, because I wanted to try to stand up on its own, just like that. And come back around and make sure you pressing it in pretty firmly so that it's standing straight up. And once I soak these pretty good, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up under the grow light tomorrow morning when I cut all my other lights on. And then all I gotta do is just put it over in the solution. All right, here's the ones that I've already done tonight. And like I said, I'm gonna let them stay in here at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna go at least 30 minutes until I see that the water's fully saturated and I got that solution. Turn it around so you can see right here. That's what we using. Let's see, will it work? All right, so here are the ones that I already did. And like I said, I've already done this with the tomato plants. They're looking great. I haven't done it with the pepper plants until now. I decided to see if I can get more plants and multiply so I have even bigger harvest. Down low in the description, I will link this item. I will link the Happy Frog mix if you haven't seen it before, or if you may want to purchase it. It'll be down there so that you can try it. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this before, and if not, do you think it's a good idea? All right, more plants, more food. Think about that. Like I said, I will have a video showing the if they made it or not, so that there will be a part 2 to this. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I got to get back to my work. All right, bye.